So guys, in this video I will show how queues work in Python. So basically, what are queues? Queues are just like FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out. Like maybe in the restaurant, or maybe you are going to you are standing in some ticket line. So the first person will be entertained first, So meaning that the first person will come in and he will go out first. Okay. So now queue has two options. Like it's like we have push and pop. Now queues has two options, that is NQ or DQ. So it is familiar, it's easy to understand. NQ means you can add an item, uh, so add an item inside the queue, but that item will be added in the end. Maybe there's a line since morning, some person came and he has to stand, he will stand in the end of the queue. Okay, that is a concept of NQ. And what is DQ? DQ is to remove the first person in the list. Okay, so this is how the scenario of queues work in Python. So let's start like this. So this is the list. So what it does, let me add some items, and maybe I can say John. John is the first person in the line. Okay, Control C. Now maybe Sarah is the second person in the line. Let me copy this. Maybe Lara is the third person in the line. Okay, so these are the three people in the maybe some restaurant line or whatever you want to imagine. So print it out test. So let me compile it. So what it happens like now all items are added in my queue. Okay, so this is in NQ. Let me write in the comment section. So this is how you write the NQ. Okay, so this is the NQ. Now I want to tell you about how we can create a DQ. For DQ, it's simple. Okay, so for the DQ, what I can do? Now I have a line in which John, Sarah, and Lara, they are standing. So now I will use pop. Like in stack, I also use pop to remove the items. Here in queues, you will also use pop to remove the items. For example, I want to test dot pop. I want to remove item print. Maybe I can store it into some x variable, print x. What it does, it removes John, because John was the first person in the list who was in the line actually. So John is removed. Maybe he was in the restaurant, he got his food, so he's sitting at some table. Now it's time for Sarah. How Sarah will came? Let me copy this. Test. Let's see. Now look. Now Sarah is also gone from the queue. Okay. Now what about Lara? Let's copy this again. Now Lara is also gone from our queue. Now what if I want to remove? Now our list is empty, but still I want to remove some item. Let's see. I think we got the error. So this is the error because there's no item inside the list. So this is how queues work in Python. I hope this was clear explanation. If you have any doubt or something, then please feel free to put in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks.